Welcome to the Osprey Poly Clinic. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the building and what we have here and what type of services we offer here. You'll notice this is obviously reception. These are our wonderful ladies who work in the area. We could see that there are some executive offices here. They're being used in that capacity for the time being. But eventually, we're going to have an addiction program here at the clinic, and that's going to be run by a 3-person team. So it's the doctor, a nurse practitioner, and a social worker. They're probably going to occupy that office and then eventually see their patients in these 2 offices. We have mammograms here, we have DEXA, we have X-ray. Upstairs, we have ultrasound, two mobile ultrasound units that can be wheeled in and out of the space. So if we imagine that we're continuing on our patient journey, we started here. After you come in and you're checked in, a medical assistant comes down and takes you upstairs in this elevator, actually. So which we're going to do, we're going to take the elevator up and continue the tour upstairs. Okay, so as we exit here, the MA and the patient come out of the room. You can see the signage which points you this way. This space here. This is actually where the medical rooms are. This is one of our wonderful this is our lead MA, Maritza. And you can see the space. Let me take you actually into one of the rooms. This building, so remember, this building was a bank in its former life, so these used to be executive offices for the bank. Obviously, we had to convert it to medical office use, so we installed sinks, so we had a little bit of a challenge. We had to run plumbing through here, we had to run ventilation, redo the electrical, so it was quite a job. So there are original 11 rooms around the perimeter of the building, and then we built an additional 4 rooms for a total of 15 exam rooms on this floor. This is the ultrasound room. There are 2 ultrasound units here. This is a mobile unit, so it can be wheeled into any room. We plan on having different specialists in here at different times. So of course, we plan on having a gynecologist here who would make use of the ultrasound, a cardiologist who would make use of the ultrasound. This is the checkout area here, and the final sort of piece of this building is this used to be the bank's conference room. We are going to be using this space for infusion. We discovered in the process of starting this business that there are actually many doctors who use infusion for different purposes. For example, we have a neurologist in-house who uses infusion to treat migraine headaches, and I mentioned the addiction program earlier. Dr. Weinstein, who runs that program, he actually creates proprietary cocktails which are administered an IV infusion. So this room will be a multi-purpose room, we believe, used by different doctors for different purposes, and we expect it to be a busy room. Taking you around the whole clinic, you've seen the entire space. Again, I hope you enjoyed the tour, and please come to the clinic. If you have any medical needs, we'll be happy to accommodate you and to service you in any way that we can. Thank you.